can see the assembly of DC generator. The DC generator converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. The mechanical energy is supplied by prime mover, which refers to diesel engine which is mechanically coupled with generator. As the prime mover rotates, the armature cuts the magnetic flux and dynamically induced EMF is produced in it. This EMF causes the DC current to flow out of the generator. The DC current generated is taken out of the generator using a brush setup. DC current is passed through the controller, which monitors the charge level of battery. From the controller, the DC current is stored in a battery bank. An inverter is used to convert the DC current into alternating current. Finally, the output current is used for household appliances.